I used to hang with. Maybe some of the people who I used to drink with. Maybe some of the same people who I used to smoke with. But I'm not going to destroy them like the church before me. I'm not going to destroy them like the church beside me. But this time when I go in there, I'm going in there seeking their prostitute woman. Because their prostitute woman remind me of me. I'm going seeking that man who lied all the time because he reminded me of me. And this time when I go get him, I'm bringing him out. And I'm bringing the best out of him. I wish a generation would rise up to bring the best out of another generation. Your kids are waiting for you to get yourself together. Because there is a time where it seems like the whole generation is set to be destroyed. And your children could very well be sitting right in the wall that is set to be destroyed. But if there's any parents in the house that say, you know what, not on my watch, amen. I may not be together yet, but check this out, I'm starting today. And I'm going into the Eagles camp, and I'm taking back what's mine. Today is the day that I make a declaration that I've waited too long for somebody to step up to the plate. Moses is dead, but the same God that was with Moses is going to be with me. Close your eyes. This is for those people who say, you know what, I don't know all this church stuff. I don't know how to get to point A to point B. I don't know nothing about singing and talking in tongue, and I don't know nothing about scriptures. And all I know is that I have a heart for God. All I know is I believe in a God that can do the impossible. If that's you, our team want to pray with you today. Our team want to search deep inside you and help pull out something